Hi everyone, I'm Aishwarya.
And I'm Gayatri. Today we are going to talk about something really important, hospitals. How they stay clean, safe, and infection free.
And don't worry, we will make it super easy to understand.
Let's get started. To begin with, let's understand the basic concept that forms the foundation of this topic.
So, let us begin by understanding the foundation of today's topic. What exactly we mean by hospital hygiene? Hospital hygiene refers to all measures taken to keep the hospital environment clean, safe, and infection free.
It plays a major role in preventing hospital-acquired infections and protecting both patients and healthcare workers.
Now that we know what hospital hygiene means, let's look at how it is maintained in daily hospital work.
In a medical environment, hygiene practices must be strictly followed.
This includes proper hand hygiene, wearing protective equipments like gloves and masks, safe handling of samples, cleaning surfaces, and proper disposal of medical waste.
All these practices are part of a broader system known as infection safety.
Infection safety focuses on preventing the spread of infections within the hospital.
This includes standard precautions, sterilization, disinfection, personal protection equipment use, and isolating infectious patients when needed.
To understand how hospitals function overall, it's also important to know the main type.
Did you know hospitals can be divided into different types based on their structure and services?
Yes, first we have centralized hospitals. All services like OPD, pharmacy, lab, and sterilization are in one main building. This makes management easier and infection control simpler.
And then there are non-centralized hospitals. Services are spread across different buildings or blocks. It gives more space but can be harder to coordinate.
Hospitals are also classified based on ownership or specialty, like government hospitals, private hospitals, teaching hospitals, and specialty hospitals.
So, basically, hospitals can be centralized or non-centralized, and they can have different specialties and ownership.
Now that we know the types, let's move into the major departments found in a hospital and their specific environments. Different hospital departments require different hygiene standards.
OPD needs clean waiting areas and proper ventilation.
Wards require daily cleaning and adequate spacing between beds.
Operation theatres must maintain a completely sterile environment.
ICUs follow strict infection control because patients are critically ill.
Laboratories need biosafety cabinets and proper handling of samples.
And pharmacies must store medicines safely and systematically. To maintain these areas effectively, hospitals follow 8 key components of hygiene.
The 8 components are hand hygiene, personal protective equipment, environmental cleaning, sterilization, waste management, safe injections, isolation precautions, and infection control education.
These components together ensure that infection risks are minimized.
2 of the most important components are disinfection and sterilization.
Disinfection reduces microorganisms on surfaces and equipment.
Sterilization destroys all microorganisms, including spores.
Common methods include autoclaving, dry heat, chemicals, UV light, and plasma sterilization.
Another major part of hospital hygiene is proper waste management. Waste is segregated into color-coded bins.
Yellow for infection waste, red for plastic disposables, blue for glassware, and black for general waste.
This prevents contamination and controls infection spread.
In some cases, infections spread easily and patients need to be isolated. Isolation is required for diseases that spread quickly.
This includes tuberculosis, COVID-19, chickenpox, measles, MRSA, and certain diarrheal infections.
Isolation protects other patients, staff, and visitors from infection.
Finally, let's understand where a hospital should ideally be located. A hospital should be built away from polluted and noisy areas.
It must have access to clean water, proper drainage, and a good road connectivity.
There should also be enough land for future expansion.
With this, we have covered all the major aspects of hospital hygiene and safety.
We hope this presentation helped you understand the topic clearly. Thank you for watching.